Hi, my name is Matt Adams. I'm a product line manager with Viavi Solutions, and I'm talking to you today from OFC 2025. We are here today talking about some of the new connector inspection microscopy platforms that we've just recently launched, with a real focus on how do we accelerate MPO manufacturing globally. With a lot of the recent announcements around co-package 1.6 terabit transceivers, there's a tremendous amount of pressure broadly across the world on how are we going to ramp and scale up production of MPO connectors. A big part of our solution space is the new MFVU from Viavi Solutions, which is a connector inspection microscopy platform designed to give you unprecedented visibility to the connector performance and allow you to design process control points around your manufacturing process. As a companion product and an award-winning product that we won here at OFC this year is our FVM 2000, which again is a MPO-focused microscope, but very much focused on transceiver manufacturing. The explosion of DR8, LR8, LR4 transceivers and the need to inspect complex connectors in a transceiver is also a critical point of the connector inspection story. For more information on both of these products, please feel free to contact your local Viavi sales representative or visit us at viavisolutions.com.